Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade peanut butter cups. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You will also need a 12-cup muffin tin and paper liners. This simple guide will help you create about 12 delightful treats that are perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Now, let's create the chocolate base for your cups. Begin by melting 1 cup of chocolate chips. You can use a double boiler for a smooth melt or microwave them in 30-second intervals, stirring well. Once melted, spoon approximately 1 teaspoon of this rich chocolate into the bottom of each paper liner in your muffin tin. Place the tin in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes to allow the chocolate to set firmly. Next, we'll prepare the creamy peanut butter filling. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of your favorite peanut butter with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to this mixture. This helps achieve a wonderfully smooth and pliable consistency. Mix thoroughly until well combined. Then, roll the peanut butter mixture into small, approximately 1-inch balls, which will form the delicious core of your cups. For the final assembly, retrieve your chilled chocolate bases. Carefully place 1 peanut butter ball onto the center of each set chocolate base. Then, spoon another teaspoon of the remaining melted chocolate over each peanut butter ball, ensuring it's completely covered. Return the muffin tin to the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once set, your homemade peanut butter cups are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.